Greetings, wise souls. Greetings. 13 raw spec. It's your cosmic brother, Safo BNP. And now you in tune to the higher vibes of my blog series, Spiritual Quest. This new blog is called Nature Foods for Nature Beings. Now this is something I discovered about a year ago, when I realized basically a lot of what we've been taught on how to eat stems from basically an ignorance of food. And basically, you know, a lot of people go by what they find tasteful rather than what is nutritional, which is all really stemmed from ignorance. So I provided this blog to give a fundamental understanding of basically, you know, why it is that a plant-based diet is more important than an animal-based diet. I gave some really useful resources in the bottom, such as the documentaries, Eating the Third Edition, Food Matters, Food Inc. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure a lot of you who are aware of this epidemic already understand what I'm saying and probably are familiar with those documentaries. But also, I want to really emphasize how basically everything is energy, correct? You know what I'm saying? Even how I'm speaking to you, the words that are being registered in your brain are sounds that your ears pick up as vibrations, and then you decode it into images in your mind so you can understand what I'm saying. Everything's a vibration. And that goes the same with food. Nature foods are high vibrational foods. So if you were consuming a raw vegan diet, you will be vibrating at a very high vibration, because you're vibing with Gaia, Mother Earth. You feel me? It makes sense. And that goes with also if you're consuming low vibrational foods, you're only putting yourself up in a lower vibration. And we all know the universal law, like attracts like. So whatever vibration you on, that's more of what you're gonna vibrate anyway on that frequency. So stay tuned to the higher vibration. Stay in tune to that. Feel me? Let thy food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Hotep. And BNP salute to Jiffy. He got his blog on the website too, bnpseries.biz. His blog is called Stay Active. For all of you who are familiar with the system set in place, the rat race, as some call it, you'll really enjoy his blog. It's very informative. Definitely check it out. That's bnpseries.biz. And stay in tune with what's to come on the website, on the radio. The homie Mensa Smooth got his blog, Momo Rudolph. Check his out. It's all on the website. And stay in tune to this higher vibe. It's your cosmic brother, Safo BNP, signing off. 13 love.